Hey everyone, Fast Eddie here. So if you look at my playlist, I created a new playlist all about emergency braking. So there's different layers to the level of which I was teaching. So first I was talking in the kitchen about braking techniques, and then I made a video with the GoPro attached to my mirror so you can look down at my hand to show you what I'm actually doing. I made a video of the top 3 mistakes people make while emergency braking or panic braking. And then I had another video, the 4th video or whatever it is, of showing me actually riding and braking really fast. And this is the next level. So all those videos, everything is different layers, right? So the first thing you have to do is learn how to stop really fast. Okay, get that down. Learn how to stop really fast, different speeds, practice MotoJitsu stopping drills, got it, you get really good. And that's usually in first gear, maybe second. So now you go to a different level of braking where you need to practice this just as much, right? That's why I make so many videos about braking, life-saving stuff. So now the goal is be in second or even third gear, recommended third gear. You come down, go 20, 25 miles per hour, and this is the stopping drill. It's no longer just stopping. So I have the little tree branch tar snake right there that I have a tennis ball, 18 feet. So I'll be going about 20, 25 or so miles per hour. Once my front tire crosses the line, I'm gonna stop as fast as I can, but it's not only stopping now, it's stopping, downshifting, make sure you're in first gear. So when you stop really, really fast because maybe a car blows the intersection, great, you stopped. But the 5,000-pound truck texting behind you are not stopping yet. You not only have to be able to stop really fast, that's number 1 goal, but also, holy crap, you look in your mirror, that guy ain't stopping, take off. So that's the combination on. Now you have to learn how to stop fast, get that down, practice, and then practice taking off, and I'll put them together. Because if stupid is not stopping behind you and you're just a sitting duck, you're gonna get killed from the rear. You didn't hit the car, congratulations, but now you're smacked from the rear, not too good. So it's not just stopping really fast, it's downshifting. If you stop in third gear and you try to take off because the car is about to kill you, good luck to you. So you practice downshifting, make sure you're in first gear before you stop. Holy crap, that guy's not stopping. Or if you're just aware, if you think there's a car behind you, you're going through an intersection, you should already know who's behind you. You're going through an intersection, somebody's blown through it, you stop really, really fast, you know that guy is close, just take off and get the hell out of the way. And I'll do 2 different variations of things that may happen. So the first thing is someone just goes straight through the intersection. You stop, there's nothing in front of you, car's not stopping, or they're really close, you gotta take off. Check it out. So I was in third gear both times, come to a dead stop as fast as I can, bam, once I stop, get the hell out of there. Sometimes, like I'm stopping really fast, I know I'm in first gear because I'm practicing downshifting, but once my feet touch the ground, I'm still balanced, you're looking up the whole time, go. You don't have to put your feet on the peg to take off, just leave your feet down so you're balanced when you're stopping, because when you're stopping in an emergency, you're gonna be like, holy crap, you're gonna wanna stop, using the brakes, right? Once you come to a stop, that guy's not stopping, get the hell out of there. So you gotta practice taking off, practice braking, now you combine them. And if you saw at the end of both stops, at the very, very end of the stop, I did a little stoppie. So if you read Total Control Edition 2 by Lee Parks, that's how you know you're at maximum braking, because the energy of braking has to go somewhere. It either goes into the brake pads and turns into heat and everything else, or you can transfer that energy going up. A 1-foot high stoppie at the end of a stop can save you 2 to 3 feet of forward momentum. Read the braking chapter in Total Control Edition 2 by Lee Parks. Really, really good. So if your bike is not capable, well then maybe your front tire will skid a little bit, or maybe your ABS will engage at the very last little second. The ABS is on, but as you can see, you can still stop if you get to 100% at the very end. So I'd rather stop an inch away from the car and do a little stoppie versus hit the car. That's the idea. So that's the scenario. If someone blows through and you just gotta be able to stop, the guy's not stopping, bam, get the hell out of there. But what if a car slams on their brakes in front of you? Now you have to stop fast. The guy's not stopping behind you. You have to stop fast, don't hit the car, but now it's right in front of you. You're gonna get killed from the back. So I found this little barricade thing in here in the dirt, and I'm gonna demonstrate this. Obviously, there's different levels to this. If you go out and try what I'm about to do and you crash, well, that's your own fault. So you have to learn how to stop first, then learn how to take off, then learn how to stop and take off, and then slowly start to integrate this. And again, if you don't practice this stuff, hopefully this never happens to you, but if you don't practice it, the first time this ever happens should it be in the real world when someone actually does this. So now I'm gonna go down, same speed, same everything. I'll stop as fast as I can, but the car in front of me slammed on their brakes and they're still right in front of me. I have to be able to take off and swerve and get the hell around it. Check it out. Now obviously you get good at this and you keep practicing, you get 2 of these, you make it a little bit wider, and I suggest you actually do something that's high off the ground. So if there's just 4 cones on the ground, my tires can go right by it, but my handlebar would actually hit this. Cars are high, there's a trunk, there's a truck, there's a whatever. So use something actually tall, so you have to actually move the bike the hell out of the way. And even if it's a single lane road, guy slams on the brakes, you come to a stop, you don't hit the car, good job, that guy's not stopping. Just get around them, even if there's no lane. I'd rather jump a curb or go right there. There's a little bit of room, right? Just get yourself out of the way so that car behind you will hit this car and it won't kill you. So and again, practice this stuff. Go back and watch my other videos. Practice stopping a whole lot. Get really, really good at stopping. Practice taking off fast, right? I made a video about that, how to take off fast, take off fast. Then you combine them together. Stop really fast, take off fast. Stop really fast, take off fast. Get good at that. And the last thing I recommend to do is stop with an obstacle in front of you, something tall, get a big cone, do something. Practice stopping, oh crap, swerve, take off at the same time and get the hell around it. Life-saving stuff, guys, I cannot emphasize this enough. You do not want to have to be in this situation in the real world. Practice beforehand, practice beforehand. All right, buddy, any questions, feel free to ask. I'm sure there will be. But like anything else, my videos are not designed to teach you every single thing in the world about what I'm doing. It's hopefully to inspire you to actually go do it yourself. My whole quote is shut up and practice, not shut up and watch my videos forever and never leave the house. Go practice this stuff. All right, guys, thanks for watching. See you guys later.